So today we went to Keys to Life Ministry, and we were able to get some special water that has lots of hydrogen in it. So I'm going to test it against my pendulum to see how it compares with the water, the structured water that I have using my Somavedic. So as a negative control, I like to use the box, and I'll say, is this box good for my body? And you watch the pendulum. If it's not running around in circles, heavy circles, then the answer is no. Now I'm going to try the hydrogenated water. It was a special water filter that this person had, and I'm going to ask, is this water good for my body? You can see the pendulum is moving around a little bit, okay? So, of course, water is good for your body, but is it the best water for me? Now I'm going to do it against the Somavedic water. Oh yeah, is this water good for me? Is this water better than the hydrogenated water? And you can see that the pendulum is a little bit crazy, and so the answer is yes. So I'm going to keep using my structured water from the Somavedic.
Go back to the other one real quick.
So again, this is the hydrogenated water. Ask the question, otherwise it doesn't mean anything. Is this water good for my body? And it's moving around a little bit, but of course water is good for everybody's body, but is this the best water for my body? Oh, it's slowing down a little bit when I say it's the
Best.
best.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.